Righto, so I'm just down here at Novatech. We're just about to drop the F truck off. See the stock wheels, thing looks pretty shocking, but she's all stripped down, ready to get painted, so she won't be black anymore. New colour coming. It's probably the most stripped down I've ever had this truck. Get it off the trailer and get it over into the guys into Novatech, and yeah, they can work their magic.
Curious to see that colour, to be honest.
Yeah, spray it out. Yeah. Well, maybe we might get that colour sprayed out.
Yep.
So let us know when you're coming down. We'll get it sprayed out. That way you can sort of see it in the flesh.
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
This window here might be a bit tricky because it's got that sliding.
Yeah, righto.
Take the inside of the door off the car, obviously. Should be right. Yeah, that's a different colour anyway.
Yep.
We'd only take the colours we'll get there anyway.
Yeah. Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks since I dropped the F truck down here at Novatech to the boys. So they've fully stripped it down, they said. I haven't seen the truck yet. I've just rocked up here. They've fully stripped it down. Doors are off, more so than I stripped it down. Doors are off. The windows are out of the thing. And they said they're getting everything prepped, ready. Hopefully this Saturday we can start laying some paint down. But I'm going to show you guys where we're at, where we're up to with getting this thing painted. And I'm a bit nervous to see what sort of state the F truck's in, but I know the way I've got this thing planned out, piecing it all back together, it's going to look pretty sick, in my head anyway. So we'll have to see with all the new parts that are coming, putting this thing back together, how it's going to look, but can't wait to show you guys the new colour of the F truck. It's pretty sweet. Righto, let's go in and see where we're up to. Whew. No windows. She's all stripped down. No doors, no bonnet, no guards. Boys are working on getting a bunch of the dents out of the roof that were in there. We've got some doors over here in the booth ready to go, which will hopefully we'll get it painted. Hopefully these doors will get painted this weekend, and I think they said they're going to try and get the roof done as well. So we're in the booth. Should just clear coat the silver. Full Cybertruck. Go full Cybertruck mode. Am I gonna Cybertruck it? Am I painting it grey? Am I painting it silver? Am I painting it purple? Can't wait to show you guys this colour. It's pretty sweet. Hopefully in my head, the way that I've got the whole truck planned out, it's all going to come together and look the way I want it to. Got some new parts. Got a new bar coming from the States, and hopefully that'll be here soon and we can get that in, and that's going to be colour coded. We're going to do some other colour coded parts on the truck as well. And yeah, we'll show you guys here in the booth when we start to paint this thing and lay down this new colour. Pretty excited. So it's Saturday morning. I come down here on Thursday. Heaps of prep work was getting done to the truck and also getting the cab ready to go into the booth. So it's now Saturday. Truck's in the booth, just put in there this morning, and the guys are going to start laying down some colour. So pretty excited. So let's go in and watch the process happen. Righto, we're gonna take it out of the shop now. We're gonna put it out in the sun. We're gonna see what it looks like. I'm pretty friggin' amped. Just saying, from the front, she looks like she's black. You come around the side, bam. That good? So stoked. I've got the F truck back home now from the boys from the paint shop. They have done an absolutely amazing job. The boys down there at Novatech. If you're seriously looking to get your vehicle painted and you're in the Newcastle area, go and see the boys down there at Tea Gardens. They have done such a sick job on the F truck, and their attention to detail is absolutely awesome. We're going to go through, I'm going to start putting some of the interior back together that doesn't need to be a part anymore. Walk you through what I'm kind of doing. So yesterday I was just putting a bunch of plugs and stuff in. We've got the new tail light up there on the back of the cab. I'm just putting all the trims and stuff along the windows. I've got all new trims and things that I bought off eBay. Funny enough, there was heaps of F truck parts in there that I could get from the States. So that's where I've kind of bought everything from. But coming into the interior, obviously the hood line is still down, but we did do all the roof insulation before it went to paint. I've got new door rubbers on the front. These are still the old ones on the rear because they were perfectly fine, but just putting in all these little trim pieces and stuff on the doors that had to go in. I did sound deaden everything before it went to paint, so sound deaden all the doors and stuff there with the car builders stuff. Little fiddly things. I've got these new plastic door trims here that I put on yesterday. They're still a bit kind of warped from being in the box that they were in, but I'll get the heat gun onto them and they should relax. I've got these little sill covers here. The truck is absolutely filthy. I've got to detail the whole thing, but some little sill covers to stop, because I had a bunch of scratch marks just here from people getting in and out. So I bought them online as well. So yeah, it's pretty much just putting all the interior back together. Well, as much as I can. The hood line is going to have to stay down because we are going to get the roof scanned by Ultrapack in Newcastle. There's a guy that's going to come and scan the roof, and we're going to get a roof rack made specifically for this truck, so which will be really good because then we know it's going to fit. The holes are already drilled in the roof from the backbone system that we used to have on there, but we've got a lighting set up where I need to have a Pacific roof rack done for. That's what I need. I need it to be able to house the Baja Designs lights. I've got new sill plates coming because mine are all broken. All the sections that kind of go in the floor are all broken. I've done all the inside of the doors already, but now I've got the car builder's plastic, which I'm going to put along here. So because the factory plastic ones are all buggered, but it comes with a little strip of adhesive. You put it all the way around the outside, put the plastic on, and you stick it down, and then that keeps the moisture of the water from protruding inside the car. So factory ones are done, they're dead. We're going to put the new ones on, but having an indoor paint job, like with an open door, like it's just next level. Like I'm so glad that I didn't do just a closed door job. It's so good that it's all open. New indicators here on the side, so I put those new indicators on there. They're clear with LED globes inside. I've got all the trim pieces and stuff up here that I've got to put on. Just been charging the battery because it has been at the paint shop. It's absolutely filthy. It's covered in paint dust and stuff, but so just in the shed, we've got all the Baja Design lights here. So teaming up with these guys on the F truck. Still am running the lasers on the Raptor. The direction that I wanted to go with the F truck, these guys had reached out to me and they made an offer I couldn't refuse, to be honest. These are amazing lights. They're out of the US, and for the look that I'm going for the F truck, there was just aspects of that are just the Baja designs do so well, and that's what I wanted to go with the F truck. So that's why I've chosen these. But it's going to give me a good chance to actually compare lights with lights versus what's on the Raptor. Laser lamps are absolutely amazing, and I'll never say that they're not great lights because they're absolutely phenomenal. They're so light. They put out amazing light, but this gives me an opportunity now to compare the Baja designs to the lasers. So, but big shout out to Baja Designs Australia for sending me these out. Got a massive amount of boxes going on here. Method wheels in here. We have all the color coded sections here for the grill. Don't know if I'm running this badge yet, but yeah, we've got the black sections here that have all been color coded. These are black, and then the green trim pieces just here. So yeah, just in the process of putting everything back together, and yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I've kind of got a bunch more stuff done to it.